Hey there and welcome to another video in our LambdaTest tutorial series. In this video, we're going to show you how LambdaTest and Bitbucket integration works. Now let's get started. You can start by going to Settings from left navigation and click on Integrations. Now click on Install button next to Bitbucket icon. On clicking Install button, you will be redirected to Bitbucket login page where you need to add your Bitbucket username and password details. You will auto-log into your Bitbucket account if you are already signed in, or you can continue by entering your credentials. That's it, you're all done for Bitbucket integration. You'll receive a notification once the Bitbucket integration is successful. And now, you are all set to push issues directly from LambdaTest to your Bitbucket account with just a single click. Now, whenever you mark an issue in LambdaTest platform, just select repository, label, and you can also add your comments and assign the issue to your team members. LambdaTest will create a new issue in your Bitbucket account. The new issue will also include link to screenshots taken from LambdaTest, along with details like testing environment and issue summary. In case you have any questions or you require any further information, you can chat with the team. Or you can also drop us an email at support@lambdatest.com. We're here to help and we'd love to hear from you. Happy testing!